In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if Wi-Fi is not connecting to your Windows. So let's get started. So first is we have to right click at the start button, and here we have to open the device manager window. Once you have opened the device manager window, you have to simply locate network adapters. And here you have to locate your network adapter. You need to make a right click and then select update driver. Browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And here simply choose the latest version, which is the first option, and click on next. Now, Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Close all these windows. And then you have to make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. For the next method, we can also run some commands in the command prompt. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type CMD. On the right pane, you have to click on Run as Administrator. Then here, simply follow me for the commands that we are going to run. This will also be posted in the description section of this video. Type netsh space winsock space reset. netsh space winsock space reset. Hit enter. Next command, netsh space winsock space reset space catalog. Hit enter. Next command, netsh space int space ip space reset space reset log.txt. Hit enter. Now type exit, hit enter, and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Then go ahead in the Windows search bar again, type ncpa.cpl, click on it under the best match. Locate your Wi-Fi adapter, and then you have to make a right click, select disable, or if it is disabled, make a right click and then select enable. You will see that will fix the issue for you. Once enabled, you will be reconnected. Now this is connecting. And that's it. You're now connected. For the final method, click on the start button, click on the settings icon. Here in the list of options on the left pane, simply click on network and internet. Scroll down and you'll find advanced network settings. You'll find network reset, click on that, and click on the reset now button to reset your network. Click on yes, and this will also restart your Windows. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.